Kevin Hart got caught up in a snowstorm on Sunday while shopping with his family in Aspen, Colorado. The 42-year-old comedian was spotted in the ski town all bundled up in a dark gray puffer jacket over a gray sweatshirt and matching sweatpants amid the flurry of snow. The Philadelphia native completed his winter look with black boots and a dark blue beanie and covered up with a face mask amid the ongoing coronavirus pandemic. He held hands with his 4-year-old son Kenzo Cash, who kept warm in a blue puffer hoodie, sweatpants, black boots and a beanie. They were joined by Kevin's wife Anika Parrish, 37, who wore a long black puffer coat, over a tan sweater and tall black boots. Anika also had on a black face mask and a black ski cap. It was a quick trip to the ski resort as Kevin and his family were seen on Christmas Day catching the Los Angeles Lakers home game at the Crypto.com Arena, which recently changed its name from Staples Center. The comedian shared a family photo on Instagram on Sunday showing him, Anika, and his daughter Heaven, 16, and son Hendrix, 14, sitting in the front row as the Lakers took on the Brooklyn Nets. Kevin smiled as he rested a hand on Anika's knee with cups and wrappers on the ground around them. #Hearts, #Happy Holidays, #Live Love Laugh P. We cleaned up our mess, I swear. This is embarrassing, Kevin wrote as a caption for his roughly 132 million followers. Kevin also has 14-month-old daughter Kaori May with Anika. He posted a family photo on Christmas with all of them wearing matching gray pajamas as they posed in front of a Christmas tree. Happy holidays from the Hearts, #Live Love Laugh, #Merry Christmas, he wrote in the caption.